Hi, another question we often hear is, can I sell property or can I transfer property shortly before filing bankruptcy? And the answer is yes. Yes, you can transfer property and you can sell property. However, you want to make sure that is listed on the petition. And if you sell or transfer property, you have to not only list it, but you have to be very careful if you transfer or sell property to friends or family members. If you don't receive fair market value for it, the trustee might void the transfer. That means the trustee can go after the property and contact your friends or family members you transferred the property to and ask not to return the property to you, but to the trustee so that he can sell it. So before you do anything, you might want to talk to your bankruptcy attorney about that question. Because when you transfer property to your friend or family member and don't get fair market value for it, it's a difficult question if that can be undone by just transferring the property back to you. And before losing that property or risking to lose the property, talk to your bankruptcy attorney before you transfer anything. When we explain this to clients, then sometimes, every so often, we get the question, well, can I not transfer that property that is unexempt to my brother? And how would the trustee find out about it at all? And the answer is easy. The trustee will find out about it because you will tell him. It's not worth hiding anything because the penalty is so severe. The bankruptcy law is federal law. It's a felony if you don't tell the truth, or if you hide information, or if you hide a transfer. So the obligation to be truthful and to list everything has to be taken very seriously. So you cannot say later, oh, there was an asset with a high value and I forgot to list it. The court might not believe you. So we had the case here in St. Louis several years ago, not from our firm, but of course we hear about these things. And a couple filed bankruptcy and they forgot to list a boat they had stored in their backyard. They didn't list that boat. It was paid for. It was unexempt. They wanted to get rid of their creditors, but they wanted to keep their boat. So you can't have it both ways. You get a really good break with bankruptcy, but if you have unexempt equity, you might have to give it up. Okay, so you can't keep the boat and get rid of all your debt. And so they forgot to list the boat and ended up in prison. So not listing something is not a good idea. And if you think about transferring property, selling property, think about, remember, tell your attorney about it, ask your attorney about it before you transfer it, and get fair market value. Otherwise, the trustee might void the sale or the transfer. If you have any questions about it, contact us. If you're represented by an attorney, we cannot help you. You need to contact your attorney. If you think about filing bankruptcy in Illinois or Missouri, in the St. Louis or Metro East area, contact us. We have a free consultation. It doesn't cost anything. And thank you.